Welcome to the presentation of the new features included in the professional version 2 of ExtrAXION, Alconsoft's Quantity Takeoff software tool. ExtrAXION Pro's new features include a library with parameters and special measurement types which the users themselves can also input, linking one measurement to multiple WBS work items. This way, you can, for example, measure a room's floor, ceiling, baseboard, wall area, etc. with just one move. Also, ExtrAXION Pro lets you measure reinforcement bars, air vents, electrical and other works, etc., mark items using different shapes, as well as copy a complete or partial selection of measurements from one drawing to another. ExtrAXION's Pro version includes a library with general parameters and custom measurements. The library holds certain model custom measurements as examples, such as reinforcement bar and air vent measurement, etc. You can edit them or even create new complex custom measurements. You can also edit or input new general parameters, which can be incorporated in the measurement calculations and are common for all projects. Use of these measurement parameters is of great significance when there are certain constant values, such as floor height or slab thickness, which you know beforehand that they will often come up in measurement calculations and may change. This way, you can, for example, set the floor height as a parameter, and by changing its value, you can simulate several different cost scenarios of a project. Change the preset floor height to 2.8 meters. Hit Recalculate, and see how it affects wall area and consequently the WBS. Additionally, by setting appropriate parameters and formulas, you can take advantage of both basic and custom measurements and link them to more than one WBS work items. You can link the measurement to as many work items as you like. This way, you do not even need to copy a measurement, for example, in order to measure ceiling area if you have already measured floor area. Therefore, you can now measure flooring, ceiling, baseboard, etc. with just one move. The primary measurement result can also be altered aside from using a factor with the use of formulas that can even include complex expressions. In this example, the closet area has been subtracted from the bedroom area, and you can see the difference. ExtrAXION Pro even allows you to measure reinforcement bars. For example, in a slab, type in the parameter distance, 15 centimeters between bars, in the corresponding box. The slab width can alternatively be marked on the drawing. Then, measure the length of the steel bar, which will be positioned every 15 centimeters along the slab's width. The total steel bar weight is calculated automatically. Besides reinforcement bars, it is also possible to measure electrical and other works, such as air vents, taking advantage of the library's custom measurements. More specifically, after setting the horizontal dimension by marking it on the drawing, typing in 400 millimeters for the vent's vertical dimension, and then measuring its length, its external surface area as well as its weight are automatically calculated. In case of measuring area, the program automatically calculates the perimeter as well. Assume that you have performed an area measurement in bedroom number 3. You can link this measurement to the baseboard work item. By editing the corresponding expression, that is, by subtracting the door's width, which is 90 centimeters, the program will automatically calculate the baseboard length from the same measurement. In the case of counting items, you can choose additionally to the color, the shape with which the items will be marked so they can more easily be distinguished from each other on the drawing. Your options include circle, diamond, ellipse, etc. Finally, the new ExtrAXION Pro lets you select all or part of a drawing's measurements and copy them to another. This way, for example, it is not necessary for changes to be made by the creators on the drawings that contain the measurements. All you need to do is to input the new modified drawings, copy the already performed measurements from the old drawings to the new ones, and adjust them as necessary. Using the same method, you can copy measurements from one floor to another, saving valuable time and effort. You can try out ExtrAXION Pro now by downloading our 30-day trial version for free. Thank you.